There's something incredibly magical about giving old furniture a second life. In a world where trends change fast and mass-produced decor fills every store shelf, upcycling stands out as a meaningful and creative alternative, one that adds uniqueness, personality, and sustainability to your home. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where every day we celebrate the beauty of transformation, creativity, and eco-friendly living. Today's video is all about breathing fresh life into forgotten furniture pieces. And I'm excited to take you through a warm, inspiring journey of turning old into extraordinary. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore how you can revive, rebuild, and reimagine your old furniture into stylish new decor pieces that elevate your entire home. Upcycling is more than just a DIY project, it's a conversation with the past. Every old dresser, chair, or cabinet comes with a story, and by reworking these pieces, you honor their history while creating something new that fits your modern space. Maybe it's an old wooden table that once sat in your grandmother's dining room, or a forgotten chair you thrift for a few dollars. These pieces may look worn out, but their structure, craftsmanship, and potential are far from gone. They simply need a vision, a little creativity, and the courage to try something different. That's exactly what this video brings you, inspiration to look at old furniture with new eyes. Before we dive into the transformation ideas, remember, if you're enjoying the creativity and daily upcycling inspiration on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a single upload. At Kuki Decor, we bring you fresh videos every day, filled with smart furniture ideas, eco-friendly decor inspiration, and creative woodworking projects that fit every budget. Now, let's start with the first transformation idea, reviving old wooden surfaces. Many worn-out tables, shelves, or cabinets only need sanding and a fresh finish to bring back their natural beauty. When you strip away years of scratches and faded varnish, you reveal the natural grain beneath a pattern no factory-produced furniture can ever replicate. Whether you choose a matte finish for a modern minimal look, or a glossy coat for a classic feel, your revived piece becomes instantly stylish and visually stunning. It's amazing how simple restoration can transform something dull and outdated into something elegant and eye-catching. Next, we move into the world of rebuilding, where creativity meets functionality. When you rebuild a piece, you're not just fixing damage, you're redefining its purpose. A broken dresser could become a trendy open-shelf storage unit. A headboard could turn into a rustic wall rack or decorative shelf. A damaged chair seat can be replaced with woven rope or cushion to give it a fresh, modern twist. These rebuilds not only make your home more organized, but they also help you customize your space exactly the way you want it. There's something deeply satisfying about creating furniture that matches your lifestyle perfectly. As you'll see throughout the video, rebuilding allows you to rethink the entire structure of a piece. One of the best examples is turning an old door into a stunning hall entry table. By cutting, sanding, and adding support legs, you can transform something long forgotten into a functional accent piece that welcomes your guests with style. This is the beauty of rebuilding. Not only do you save materials from going to waste, but you also create decor that is meaningful, durable, and completely one of a kind. Now, let's talk about what might be the most exciting part of upcycling, reimagining. This is where you let your artistic side shine. When you reimagine old furniture, you're not limited by what it used to be, you focus entirely on what it could be. Maybe you turn a vintage suitcase into a small bedroom nightstand. Or you transform an old drawer into a rustic flower planter, or a wall-mounted shelf. Perhaps you even repurpose a broken coffee table into a modern ottoman or a bench. Reimagining gives you unlimited creative freedom and encourages you to experiment with color, texture, and style. Reimagining also opens the door to mixing materials. Old wood pairs beautifully with metal brackets, rope handles, woven baskets, and even glass. You can create industrial-style decor, rustic farmhouse pieces, or clean Scandinavian-inspired designs simply by combining different elements. This is what makes upcycling truly enjoyable. There are no strict rules, only possibilities waiting to be explored. Now let's pause for a moment. If you love these transformations and want more daily inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor. Your support helps us bring you fresh ideas every day, and we appreciate every single one of you in this growing community of makers, DIY lovers, and creative home decorators. As we continue, the video showcases several beautiful examples of how simple changes can lead to dramatic results. A faded side table becomes a modern accent table with bold paint colors and new hardware. A cracked vintage cabinet gets updated with glass inserts, turning it into a charming display unit. Even small items like drawer fronts, chair legs, and old knobs can be upcycled into decor pieces like key holders, candle bases, or wall art. These small details bring character into your home without costing much. Another powerful idea in the video is maximizing functionality. Today's homes require smart use of space, and upcycled furniture can be designed to serve multiple purposes. Think of a coffee table that doubles as storage, a bench with hidden compartments, or a wall-mounted shelf that also acts as a plant holder. Upcycled furniture is not just beautiful, it's practical. You design pieces that work for you, making everyday living easier and more enjoyable. Color also plays a huge role. Whether you love soft neutrals or bold statement shades, paint can completely change the personality of an old piece. A coat of matte black can turn a basic wooden chair into a stylish, modern decor piece. Chalk white paint can give a farmhouse feel, while muted green or soft blue can bring calmness to a room. You'll see in the video how different color choices make the same piece look entirely different, giving you endless options for personalization. As you watch the transformations unfold, remember that the goal of upcycling isn't perfection, it's creativity. Scratches, dents, and imperfections often add charm and authenticity to a piece. Instead of hiding them, many designers highlight these flaws to celebrate the story behind the wood. You're not just building decor, you're preserving history and adding your own chapter to it. As we reach the final part of this journey, I want to leave you with something meaningful. Upcycling is a mindset. It teaches you to see beauty in the overlooked, potential in the unwanted, and creativity in the ordinary. It encourages sustainable living and empowers you to design a home that reflects your personality, values, and imagination. Every piece you revive, rebuild, or reimagine becomes a reminder that great design isn't always about buying new, it's about transforming what you already have. Thank you so much for watching today's episode on Revive, Rebuild, Reimagine upcycling old furniture into stylish new decor pieces. If you enjoyed these ideas and want to see more inspiring furniture transformations, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We post daily videos to keep your creativity flowing. Leave a comment below and tell us which transformation inspired you the most. Until next time, keep creating, keep imagining, and keep making your home beautiful, one upcycled piece at a time.